Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Docker is installed and you have permission to run it. Once done, pick the exact image and tag you need. This avoids unexpected changes. Now pull the image to local cache so startup is fast. Docker pull image, tag. Make sure your network allows access to Docker Hub or your registry. While the pull runs, note the image name and tag. Those are what you'll reference when you create the container, and tagging avoids ambiguous versions. You'll now start the container with required bindings and settings. Use Docker run dp host, container vhost path, container path key equals value image, tag to launch detached with ports, persistent storage, and environment variables. Once the container is up, verify with Docker ps to see its status and mapped ports. If you need to inspect logs or startup issues, use Docker logs container and attach an interactive shell with Docker. Finish by stopping and cleaning up or updating the container. To stop, gracefully use Docker stop container, then remove with Docker rm container before recreating from a pulled image to apply updates. Make sure to reapply the same v, p, and e flags when you recreate. If the container fails to start, check Docker logs container and Docker inspect container for network, bind mount, or permission errors. A quick troubleshooting tip. Verify host ports aren't in use and file permissions. Allow the Docker daemon to read mounted paths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.